Hi, I'm Beth. In this tutorial, I'll show you 3 different pacing options for using Go2Science in your classroom. Go2Science is super flexible, and as such, there's no hard and fast pacing. You can choose to shorten or lengthen the time you want to spend on a mission. You know your learners best, so please modify the pacing we suggest as you see fit. Let's get started. Doing a featured mission live means following along with us as we present the mission. For each mission, we'll present 2 field videos a week in chronological order for 6 weeks. This first pacing option is great for full members because of the live stream elements. Plan on about 30 minutes a day for the duration of the mission. The week before a mission goes live, take a day or 2 to watch the hypothesis video and tap into your learners' prior knowledge. You could use KWL charts or similar tools. For the 6 weeks when a mission is live, try this instructional flow. Each Monday, watch the first new field video for the week. Do the associated lesson, or generate questions for the live stream. Then, on Tuesday, join one of the 10 live stream events for the day and wrap up with the discussion. Each Wednesday, watch the second new field video and do the associated lesson and/or generate questions for the live stream again. Then on Thursday, join one of the 10 live stream events for that day and wrap up with another discussion. Each Friday, finish up any lessons or plan to watch one of our comic read-aloud videos. After that video, use some of the classroom tips to extend the fun and learning. After we've presented all the field videos, consider taking a little extra time the following week to finish Lesson 12. That's where you'll share your conclusions about the hypothesis and create a display. Remember to publish it somewhere so others know what you're thinking, maybe even on our website. Doing a mission asynchronously over 6 weeks is a second option. Doing a mission asynchronously means doing a mission on your own, without us guiding you through the mission. If you have 2 30 to 40 minute blocks for science each week, this option may be a good choice for you. Each day you do science, watch the next field video in the series. Then, do the associated lesson. There's no need to do the grade level ideas if your time is tight. A third option is taking 12 weeks or longer to do a mission asynchronously. Go2Science lessons are rich and can easily be expanded to run over multiple days. Plan for about 30 minutes a day. The week before you begin watching the field videos, take a day or 2 and watch and discuss the hypothesis video. Tap into your learners' prior knowledge about the mission topic. Try using a KWL chart or similar. Then, for the next 12 weeks, follow this instructional flow. Each Monday, full members watch and discuss the next archived live stream in the series. Basic members watch and discuss the first field video in the series. Try filling in the know and wonder columns of a KWL chart. Each Tuesday, do the lesson associated with the field video. You might just do the setting the stage and main event part and take your time. On Wednesday, continue the lesson. Rewatch the field video and discuss the previous day's lesson. Then continue the lesson where you left off. Select one or more encore activities to do, or do an ELA or math integration. Thursday can be all about integration. Do all or some of the ELA and math integrations, or do an arts integration, or work on the service learning suggestion. On Friday, complete your KWL chart and wrap up your work for the week. Or watch one of the comic videos and do a comic tip activity. So those are 3 possible pacing options, but we encourage you to modify the pacing to fit your schedule and your learners' needs. Have fun and enjoy the adventure!